So it was an easy system to put together. You have the base, you have the battery, then you have the inverter. It was a few raw bolts and plugs and screws, very simple for any electrician to install, and very straightforward the process as well. Standard and efficient.
Dus wij hebben hier een 5 kilowatt opslag mogen plaatsen. Nou, we hebben er eigenlijk voor GoodWe voor gekozen omdat het een zeer stille batterij-totaaloplossing is.
We couldn't be more excited than to showcase the new all-in-one storage solution, the GoodWe ESA. Aesthetically, it looks great. As you can see behind me, it doesn't protrude on the client's car spaces, being able to get in and out nice and easy. Single cable tray on the wall and all-in-one tower.
I'm the sales manager with Hi-Tech, and today we're installing an ESA battery on this home. We're going to be having a bit of a chat about that. Your green and your red lights indicating what the status is, and you've got some other functionality that you can work off. Of course, if you don't want to come out in the cold or the rain and read off the screen, you've got the ability to go to the app. We've always had the SEMS portal, and now we've got the latest updated version, which is the SEMS Plus app there, which can show you the comings and goings of your power, how much is in your battery, how much you're exporting back to the grid, how much you're using, etc., etc.